Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing sa tanong. For today, we have two cakes, 7 by 5 inches ang atong cake karong paghimuon. It's Chocomoy's cake. It's the theme are all floral cake. So, let's go. Let's start with the first one cake, which is the blue-green color for the cover. And this is the floral cake, the celebration of the Lady of Fatima Feast Day. And it was celebrated last May 13, no? So late na to ni siya gi-upload. So before na ko nag-start, ako na siyang gimo. So it's easy for us kung asa na to sundo, no? Using the whipped icing sa iyang mga stem, di mo sunod din natong flowers decoration. So let's start decorating our cake. So this is it, our floral theme cake using whipped icing. And we are using different nozzle tips sa iyang design sa iyang flowers. And we would like to say thank you to Sir Aga for this beautiful order niya nga cake. Thank you Sir Aga for trusting Ching's Cake. And now we are go to the second cake, which is lain na sa nga client, no? Di per the same day ni sila nag-order. Nagdungan ni sila date sa ilang order. So this is a floral theme cake again, but the toppers are all artificial flowers. So let's continue sa pag-icing nato for our second cake. So, we're done cover sa atong second cake, the birthday, and then nag-drape na ta. So, ang drape akong gigamit na. We're using whipped icing. So, gi-init lang yun na siya, giagi siya, ginit gamay para mo-melt. Para nindot yung bagsak sa iyang icing. And for our artificial flowers, sa atong top, ako na siyang gipamutangan ng wood stick sa atong mga flowers, no, para safe sa atong cake. The stick is for good for sa food, atong gibutang. And then, for nasa ko'y uban gamay lang yun, nga na siya stem nga, na siya metal, so naka-cover man sa na siya sa iyang plastic, pero gi-coveran pag yun ako cling wrap before nako gitusok sa iyang icing para safe sad siya sa cake. So continue ta sa pag-decorate sa atong cake. Nag-add on sa tag mga gold leaf sa iyang cake, no, decor para magwapa sa samot sa atong cake. So this is our birthday cake, and this would like to thank for Mariel for the trust again, and to all mga suki na to, no, nga sige balik-balik og order. So thank you for trusting Ching's Cake. So this is it, we're almost done with our beautiful birthday cake. So this is it. We're done with our beautiful floral cake. Thank you for watching and God bless.